Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so in today's video, we are shopping at ALDI. We're walking around their home section, and I thought I'd take you with me for some last minute gift ideas. So what will you guys be doing the days between now and the new year? Well, I decided to go ahead and do a collaboration called Celebrating the Last 10 Days of the Year, which begins on Christmas Eve and ends on January 3rd, which is really interesting because what do we do between now and the end of the year as we say goodbye to 2022 and welcome 2023? I know there's so many things that I'm thankful for. There's some shopping I still need to do, enjoying family, entertaining, or maybe just some quiet time, relaxing with your own family, showing them love, and making memories. Now, this collaboration is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, that's myself, Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle, and The Robin's Nest by Terry. Now, I would love for you guys to support us either by joining in with an activity that you guys are doing with your family or just by watching. I would love to have you guys. Now, this is going to be every day between Christmas Eve and the 3rd of January at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you do decide to make a video, just make sure and send me a message and I will pick up your video and add it to the playlist. Now, did you guys see those chopping blocks they have at Aldi's? Oh my goodness, they are absolutely gorgeous. I'm telling you, the quality of their items, sometimes we overlook, but since I'm always in there buying some of my keto items, I cannot tell you how beautiful these gift ideas are. I'm going to go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music, and I'll see you guys at the end. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys, and happy holidays.